Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how creating a YouTube short using CapCut on your PC. This is a simple process, so follow the steps carefully to avoid missing anything. Start by opening CapCut on your computer. The first thing you need to do is import the video or media files you want to use. To do this, click on the Import button, then locate and select your file. Once it's imported, drag and drop the video onto your timeline. Now, you'll notice that your video may not fit the YouTube Shorts format, which is a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. To adjust this, look at the center menu near the preview player. In the lower right corner, find the Original drop-down or button. Click on it and select the 9:16 inches aspect ratio option. Once selected, you'll see that the preview adjusts to the correct vertical format. After this, you'll need to resize and reposition your video so it fits nicely within the 9:16 frame. Click on the video in the preview area. Use the scaling options to zoom in or out and drag the video to focus on the part you want to highlight. For example, you might center the action or focus on a specific section of the frame. Once the video is set, you can enhance it with text, effects, or audio. To add text, go to the text option on the left-hand menu. Drag a text box onto the timeline and type your message, such as a title or a caption. You can adjust the font, size, color, and position to suit your content. If you want to add background music or sound effects, use the Audio option. Import your chosen audio file and drag it onto the timeline beneath your video. Make sure to trim or adjust the audio length so it matches your video duration. When your short is ready, it's time to export it. Go to the upper right corner and click on Export. In the export settings, choose a resolution such as 1080p for good quality. Set the frame rate to 30 or 60 frames per second, depending on your preference. Name your video appropriately, such as Nature Short, and select the export location. Once you've reviewed the settings, click the Export button to begin rendering. After the export is complete, your video will be saved to your chosen location. From there, you can upload it to YouTube under the Shorts section. That's how you create a YouTube short on CapCut for PC. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.